How to change your email address on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vinwasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Amazon. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up the Amazon application, the Amazon shopping application. There, once you're logged in, what you want to do is at the bottom you can see 5 different icons. You can see the profile icon in the middle as well. You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom mid of your screen. Once you do so, at the top you can see your orders by again your account and your list option. You want to simply tap on your account option. Once you do so, here you should be able to get this option. You're going to scroll down, and under account settings you should be able to see the very first option that says login and security. You're going to simply tap on login and security. Now once you tap on it, you should be able to see your name, email and such. Beside your email, you'll be able to see the edit option there. You're going to simply tap on edit and you go ahead and you can edit or change your email address. So this way you can change your email address on Amazon. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.